Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show how to set up the recurring assessment workflow event template. Recurring assessments are designed to streamline and track patient care at regular intervals during rounds by the treating practitioner or the nurses. Setting up a template for recurring assessments is particularly useful for monitoring vital health indicators such as blood pressure, blood sugar, and body temperature. In this video, we will start on the settings screen. Click on the Entity Settings tab, then click on the Workflow Event Templates panel. The Workflow Event Template screen will open. Click on the Choose Event drop-down menu and select the Recurring Assessment option from the list. Click on the Add Template button. The Recurring Assessment Workflow Event Template screen will open. We will now take a look at the fields and sections within this screen. Click on the Template Description field and type a relevant name for the template. Placeholders can be used to pull through information from the system automatically without entering it manually. Click on the Placeholders drop-down menu to select the relevant placeholders to add if needed. For more information on how to use placeholders, please refer to the Workflow Event WFE Placeholders User Manual, linked in this video's description. Within the Setup panel, the grid setup is done to advise on how frequently the assessment needs to be done in patient care. Click on the Frequency Number field and enter how frequent the assessment needs to be performed. To set the frequency of the assessment, click on the Frequency Time drop-down menu and choose whether the assessment should be conducted on a minutely or hourly basis. Check the Show Additional Information checkbox to add additional information regarding the frequency. The row setup is designed to record the outcomes or measurements of the required assessments, for example those for diabetes or hypertension. First, complete the name of the field you wish to set up. Click on the Whole Number drop-down menu. In this section, you are presented with 3 choices, which will now demonstrate accordingly. The Whole Number option requires setting a minimum and maximum value for measurement. Next, complete the minimum, maximum as well as the unit field with the relevant information. Enter the relevant field name. Check the Show Additional Information checkbox to add additional information regarding the frequency. You are able to remove any row setup by clicking on the Delete button. To add additional row setups, click on the Add button. Next, the drop-down option allows you to create a list of items to choose from. Like before, complete the name of the field you wish to set up. Click on the drop-down menu and select the drop-down option. Fill in the relevant information you wish to show in the option field. To remove or add more options to the drop-down list, click on the respective Remove or Add button. Enter the relevant field name. Check the Show Additional Information checkbox to add additional information regarding the frequency. Lastly, the checkbox option provides a simple check or uncheck feature. Complete the name of the field you wish to set up. Click on the drop-down menu and select the checkbox option. Fill in the relevant information you wish to show in the option field. Check the Show Additional Information checkbox to add additional information regarding the frequency. Once you are satisfied with the information completed, click on the Save button.